Well, today's compressor changeout day. We out here in this carrier, and that process took me 3 hours just to get a compressor. But you know, warranty. Carrier's not being very friendly, but that's okay. It is what it is. I've got the compressor. I've got it in. Let me see if I can turn this camera around. Nope. Let's do that. See the compressor. Fixing to braze it in. Got my torches. So good stuff. I'm gonna get these people some air. They've been hot, you know. Uh, but I got it ready to braze, and signing off.